Hi there, fellow Greasy Garage people. I'm Chuck. This is Up Chuck Chops. Guess what? I got the KLR back on the road. We're gonna take a first ride. Check it out. Make sure it holds together. You'll be with me if, hopefully it's just the proverbial wheels, but you'll be with me if the wheels fall off. Sure feels good to do this again after a couple weeks. I am 95% of the time and all the gear all the time guy. But today it's short sleeves and, well, that's one hurdle passed. Let's get going. Might as well wind her up to highway speed, and if it comes apart, that's when it'll do it. My speedo's a couple off. We're running right at 55 now. I forgot they were chip and sealing this road, so I'm gonna have to mind my P's and Q's. The little pebbles won't do me any favors at all. Well, no weird noises yet. Here's the decel I'm talking about. I'm showing 63. I'm running 60. I let off. See how fast that started dropping speed? Partly because the bike's geared low and partly because the thing in there. So I bought a bypasser, and the disadvantage to that is that it will start in gear. So if you hit the button, it'll jump right out from under you. At least that's what I've read. Oh, that shape feels good. Between putting this together and all my other adult responsibilities, I've been busier than a one-legged man in a butt kicking competition, so this little ride feels nice. There's that decel again. Got this bike scrubbed up dub. I don't know if the KLR guys will still let me hang out with them. All the time on the Facebook forums about, some of them almost brag about abusing them. I don't believe in that. I'll use it for what it's meant for, but I'm not all about abusing bikes. Well, a few miles down the road, it seems happy enough. It always makes the guy feel good when he has repaired and conquered. I'm going to pull off here. Don't mind me, just on a little shakedown. It appears I have not permanently injured the bike. The repair video may come out after this one, I don't know, because I don't like being out of sequence. But it's gonna take me a hot minute to get it edited, because it was no joke. I was 6 hours in the garage, and it wasn't that it should have took me that long, but to be honest, I was watching another dude's YouTube video and kind of following him. I can't remember the name offhand, but I don't think it's really going to be worth me doing a how-to when his is that much better than mine will ever be. And he was doing the doohickey mod. I ended up not doing the doohickey mod. My spring looked good. I have the parts for the doohickey. However, I chose not to do it at this time. But I still needed the tools that came in the kit to do the doohickey, so it's a push, man. Now I got tools and parts, and I also ordered way more parts than I really needed, but I didn't know what I was going to need until I was into it. So, you know, it is what it is. I have a few spare parts now, and spare fasteners and this and that. Get back to the crib and make sure I'm not barfing oil anywhere or anything, and I think I'll call this one win and done. Move on from my over-torquing mistake. If I keep riding, I won't get home till 9 or 10, and that really doesn't bode well for me showing up to work tomorrow. And I kind of have to do that to, you know, pay for a motorcycle. What a beautiful day. I see why guys ride bare arms sometimes. It sure does feel nice. Safety Dave won't be very proud of me right now. I don't think he watches the channel, but yeah, if he ever does see it, he'll know who I'm talking about. Sorry about the wind noise on my ride videos, but I need to do some upgrading of equipment, and I don't think I really do all that many riding videos. Partly maybe because of that, but I watched her two wheels the other day, and she was talking about her setup, and I may have to save some pennies and get a little closer to that. I am coming up on a 2-year anniversary of YouTubing. Might have a little happy anniversary video come up. We'll see. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later. I don't see any dribbles yet. Give her a quick check. All looks pretty good from here. She's warming up. Cool beans. I think we're all right. Just one little brat before I say goodnight. Yeah.